Hi, this is Lisa from GemPages, and today I'm going to walk you through the quickest way to use our new Global Styles feature. First, open your page in the GemPages editor. The sidebar should now have two tabs, Element and Global Styles. Click to open the Global Styles tab. You will see a preset has been created called Live Preset 0. Click to open its menu. At the top, turn on the Preview on this page option. Now you can see the changes on the current page. Click to open the Color section. Use the color picker to choose colors based on your brand, or type in the color code for the exact color you want. The brand color should be the one color that best represents your brand. Other colors should match the brand color. Now go back to the menu and open the Text section. In the Heading Font box, open the drop-down menu and choose your font. Pick a paragraph font that goes well with the heading font. By changing the base size, the size of all of your text will increase or decrease based on the type scale you have set. Let's move on to buttons. You will find 5 types of buttons in this menu: Button, Cart, View More, Submit, and Checkout. Click the arrow beside each title to style each button. The default button color will be the brand color in your palette, but you can always choose another. I'll keep it like this, but change the hover option to black. I'll now quickly style the Cart button. Done! I'm satisfied with the preset. Now let's go back to the preset menu. Click the Update button, and everything we've changed will be saved. Finally, click Apply to the current page. And voila! Your page will now appear in your brand's style. You can find the presets you've created in the Design tab when editing an element, or under Global Styles when editing a whole page. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe, as well as the notification bell, so that you won't miss out on any future videos. Also, let us know what you want to see next in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day.